So this is the event. Look at how beautiful it is. Da 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 da. And this is where the stage is going to be. It's going to be so much fun. So I'm wearing the Novena palette. I'm wearing Soul as well as December in the tear duct. I'm wearing the highlight gumdrop from the highlighter palette and lip gloss. And I'm feeling very, very fabulous.
I feel like I know you already, huh? Isn't that weird how Instagram connects us highway? Well, thank you so much for being here today. I'm so delighted to be at this part too much. The space underneath becomes smaller. So ideally it is to open that space or to lower if the space is too big.
Everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold, and before I get into this episode, I would appreciate so very much my Fumi stars, Fumi Nation. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button, and follow my beautiful niece Fenty at guess where? Crafty Unicorn. Yes, you guessed it. How are you, darlings? Baby Desalu-Vold and I are here to give you a wonderful episode. It's going to be a chitty chat chit, and this is all about eyebrows. So Baby Desalu-Vold and I, yes, because you know we're roommates. We go everywhere together. Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. Shh. Mommy's talking. I love him so much. So we went to Selfridges because Selfridges was hosting an event in honor of the one and only Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yes, darlings, Novena's mama, looking so hot. She hosted a masterclass event in Selfridges, and it was everything and more. We got all kinds of goodie bags, we got drinks, we got little treats. As you can see, guys, I'm going to put little video clips for you. I put some in the beginning as well. It was fabulous. And she went on to talk about how she started in this industry in 1989. Yes, and the celebs that she has done, and how nobody really focused on brows. And I get that, because back in the 90s, even in the 2000s, we were really focused on makeup and we were focused on skincare. Everybody kind of bypassed the brows, and I think because it was intimidating and it was rather difficult, nobody could really take it on and be like, yes, let me make that fabulous brow, unless it was theater, unless it was film, unless it was a period piece. To do a really gorgeous, sexy, strong brow, the only time I can think, oh my God, she looked fabulous, was Brooke Shields, and even hers was still a bit bushy. Anyhow, I learned some tips and tricks, and so here I am again. I'm going to update my brow tutorial. I've done my entire makeup. Of course, this is Juvia's place. I am feeling so on fire right now. Yes, darlings. And this is from the Afrique palette. Use my discount code FUMI, F-U-M-I. If you want me to do a tutorial on this, let me know, because it's red, it's gold, and it's burgundy. Just, you know, fire. Aries, my zodiac sign. So that's that. I'm going to use all of her products because she does send me lovely PR. Thank you so much, Novena. Somebody is sending me something. My dad. Wait, hold on, can you see? I don't know whether you can see. Yes, Daddy-O is sending me a text. I'm telling you, it's actually for Baby Desalu-Vold. They love him so much, so they're like, Fumi, hi. So yes, so we're going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills products, the products that she used in the masterclass, and I'm going to show you what I really loved. I loved that feather, brisk hair in front of my brow and how it just kind of thinned out. I really loved that. This is one of the reasons why I don't tattoo my brows. A lot of you ask me, oh Fumi, why don't you tattoo your brows? I tattooed my brows. I love them. They're fabulous. I don't have to think about them. Because styles change and you evolve and you grow and you want to change your brows. I know I do. So if I tattoo my brows, I'm stuck with them, and that's not such a good thing if I want to change them. Going to ABH Masterclass has just changed my brow game. again. And that's what I love about makeup, because you're always learning, you're always being open-minded and taking it all in. And just to see how she transformed this brow into something else was fabulous. So I'm going to do only one brow so that we can see the difference. Yes? Alrighty, so I've got a whole bunch of goodies right here, ABH. What I liked about this was that she started off with a pencil. So she started off with a pencil. Thank you, darlings.
To go a bit closer while we do this.
Yes. So Ula's going to bring us a little closer so you can see my pores. Eek. Yes, yes, darlings, yes. So as you can see, the brow is not that clean. It needs a little bit of tweezing, but we're going to fix all of that. So I am going to use her brow wiz in granite. That is the first. And Anastasia said, always start from the bottom and trace your brow. She said, do that first. So I am tracing my brow with a pencil. Voila. Okay? And then you can go in. It's important for you to know that you can start lower or higher depending on how much lid space you want. Determines where you start with your brow. I thought that was absolutely important because it's very, very true. So you have that right there. Okay? Now, I'm just going to give little whiskers. Cat whiskers. So you just kind of, you know, flick it up ever so gently. And as you can see, you can kind of fill it up all across. And just fill in the hair that you already have. Voila. We have her deep brow pomade, which she used. And this is to lock in the brow. For those of you that have oily skin, for those of you that want precision, this deep brow pomade will work for you. Yeah? Okay. So here we go. We're going to take a little bit in, just touch. And I'm using a Juvia's Place angled brush. They are just the best. They're so stiff and the precision is everything. And you go in. Start from the middle. Don't start from the front. Start from the middle and trace the brow with the pencil that you've done underneath. Voila. And you go again where you have penciled with the granite. Yes? Now this is what I love, yes? In front, you just give little whiskey strokes. And this is what makes it so much more natural. And the brow stays in place. Just look at that. What I love about the brow is it has a spoolie. And she said the spoolie is everything, because what you do is that you kind of bring everything together so that the brow looks very natural and it doesn't look too structured. So you can use this to zhuzh the hair and give it texture, which it normally or usually wouldn't have. And because of the pomade. So you just, you know, bring that up a little bit. Yeah? Alrighty. Then we have the gel brow, and this keeps the brow in place. So it's like a mascara, but what you do is that it brings gloss to the brow. So you just put that up and then you just zhuzh this right up with the natural hairs. Do you see this? I love this so much. I love it. 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 Voila. Just a touch and it gives that texture to the brow. She also has brow pencils. So you take your brow pencil, and this is another thing I was doing. I was really going right in front just to clean up the brow. You don't have to do that. You can go in the middle right there. You can use the pencil and you can just sharpen the brow right there in the center where you have that arch. Once you do that, you can use a clean brush This is Juvia's again, Juvia's Place. Love them. Discount code Fumi. And you can just zhuzh it a little bit so that the line is not harsh. This way, you don't have to use like foundation. You don't have to use any cream. All you have is the pencil. And that is it. I just love this. Look at the difference. Just look. I love this feather in front. And like I said, you can just use your spoolie and just zhuzh that so that it looks very natural. And this is how I love having my brows. Thank you so very much, Anastasia Beverly Hills, for teaching us new tips and tricks. I hope you guys loved it. It's a quickie, but I wanted to show you the huge difference. If you go to my previous eyebrow tutorials, you'll see a huge difference. And this is what I like. So you guys go out there and really take full advantage of ABH. She's got it down packed. I love it. You have the option. And she told us also, you can go right over the brow to clean it up, but I don't necessarily need it. I don't think I do. And I don't want them to look too perfect. If they look too done, too perfect, it's not my fleeve. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I'll see you in a few days, okay? All of my love. Mwah. Bye. Ula. Done.
What? What do you mean you're done? You only done one eyebrow first.
Yes.
Even I could see that.
I know.